Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Every couple of months, I decide I'm done acting, he said. This has been my thing for decades now. I'm always looking for a way out, but I do love it. But Evans doesn't appear to be retiring anytime soon. 18 March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
I'm always looking for a way out, but I do love it. But Evans doesn't appear to be retiring anytime soon. In December it was announced the actor would voice the original Buzz Lightyear in an upcoming Pixar film, Lightyear. 14 January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chris Hemsworth is once again suiting up as Thor for a fourth standalone film. The 37-year-old actor will reprise his Marvel role as the God of Thunder for Thor: Love and Thunder, which will feature the return of a few Marvel Cinematic Universe actors and some new additions. 14 December 2020.
Take our lead.
Little Steve Rogers may have been made into an incredibly powerful man after being injected with super soldier serum, but he's not immortal. Captain America was frozen for decades before waking up in the modern world and continuing to age. 26 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.